There is one of the most beloved social habits that is secretly speeding up your aging process and making you look and feel older. The key to looking younger, feeling more vibrant, and unlocking your body's true potential lies in a simple change to your lifestyle. From skin health to brain power, from your bones to your energy levels, this habit is certainly holding you back in ways you never imagined. Curious about what it is and how breaking free can transform your life? Stay tuned as we reveal the ultimate anti-aging hack. Welcome to Levitas. How does alcohol accelerate aging? Alcohol's impact on aging goes far beyond the occasional hangover. It wreaks havoc on your body, accelerating aging on a cellular and systemic level. For starters, alcohol dehydrates your skin, stripping it of moisture and elasticity, which leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and a dull complexion. Chronic alcohol consumption also reduces your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients, such as vitamins A, C, and E, which are vital for skin repair and overall health. Internally, alcohol triggers oxidative stress by producing free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage cells, proteins, and DNA. This oxidative stress accelerates aging by promoting inflammation, which is a root cause of many age-related conditions, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Additionally, alcohol negatively impacts your hormones. It disrupts the balance of growth hormones necessary for cell repair and regeneration, leading to slower recovery from physical and environmental damage. The liver, tasked with detoxifying alcohol, prioritizes this process over metabolizing fats and toxins, which contributes to systemic inflammation and premature aging. While alcohol may seem harmless in moderation, its long-term effects on aging are undeniable. Understanding this connection is the first step toward reclaiming your youthful vitality. How does quitting alcohol affect telomeres? Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of your DNA strands, much like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They play a critical role in maintaining cellular health and longevity. Each time a cell divides, telomeres shorten, a natural process associated with aging. However, lifestyle factors like chronic alcohol consumption accelerate this shortening, leading to premature cellular aging. Alcohol-induced oxidative stress and inflammation directly damage telomeres. Shortened telomeres are linked to a host of age-related diseases, including cardiovascular issues, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. In other words, your drinking habits can definitely fast-forward your biological clock. When you quit alcohol, your body begins repairing itself at the cellular level. Oxidative stress decreases, inflammation subsides, and telomeres are better preserved. Emerging research even suggests that telomeres may lengthen with a healthier lifestyle, indicating the potential for reversing damage. By cutting out alcohol, you're giving your cells the best chance to regenerate, repair, and function optimally. This doesn't just slow down the aging process, it can improve your overall health and resilience, providing a tangible anti-aging boost that you'll notice both inside and out. Can quitting alcohol reverse aging effects on the skin? Absolutely. Alcohol dehydrates the skin and depletes vital nutrients, but quitting allows your skin to recover. Without alcohol, your hydration levels stabilize, restoring elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Blood circulation improves, delivering oxygen and nutrients essential for skin repair. Collagen production, key for firmness and glow, also increases. This results in a more youthful, vibrant complexion. Within weeks, you'll notice reduced redness, fewer breakouts, and a natural radiance. Over time, you'll look significantly younger as your skin heals from the inside out. Quitting alcohol truly is one of the most effective anti-aging hacks for achieving a healthier, rejuvenated appearance. Does alcohol affect aging in the brain? Alcohol significantly accelerates brain aging. Chronic consumption reduces brain volume, especially in areas responsible for memory, decision-making, and emotional regulation. This shrinkage is a direct result of alcohol's neurotoxic effects, which kill brain cells and weaken the protective blood-brain barrier. Moreover, alcohol disrupts the delicate balance of neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that regulate mood, cognition, and focus. This disruption contributes to symptoms like brain fog, depression, and anxiety. Over time, alcohol's effects on the brain can lead to cognitive decline and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Quitting alcohol, however, allows the brain to heal. Neurogenesis, which is the process of forming new neurons, can resume, especially in the hippocampus, the brain's memory center. Inflammation and oxidative stress decrease, enabling the brain to function more efficiently. Sobriety also restores sleep quality, which is essential for detoxifying the brain and solidifying memory. By eliminating alcohol, you're protecting your brain's longevity and vitality. It's an investment in sharper thinking, better emotional health, and a significantly reduced risk of age-related mental decline. Can sobriety improve bone and joint health? Alcohol is a hidden culprit in weakening your bones and joints. It interferes with calcium absorption and disrupts vitamin D metabolism, two critical factors for bone strength. Over time, heavy drinking can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, making bones more brittle and prone to fractures. Alcohol also exacerbates inflammation, which worsens joint pain and accelerates the progression of arthritis. The cartilage that cushions your joints can degrade faster under the influence of alcohol, leading to stiffness and discomfort. When you quit alcohol, your bones and joints begin to recover. Calcium absorption improves, and your body can better utilize vitamin D, rebuilding bone density. Inflammation levels drop significantly, reducing joint pain and swelling. Sobriety also boosts hormone regulation, particularly estrogen and testosterone, which are essential for maintaining bone health. With these hormones in balance, your skeletal system can strengthen over time. By giving up alcohol, you're not only preserving your mobility but also enhancing your body's ability to stay active and resilient as you age. This newfound strength translates to a higher quality of life and reduced risk of fractures or chronic joint issues. Quitting alcohol benefits long-term energy and vitality. Alcohol is notorious for draining your energy reserves. It disrupts your sleep cycles, preventing the deep, restorative sleep necessary for physical and mental recovery. Even small amounts of alcohol reduce the production of growth hormone, which is vital for repairing tissues and replenishing energy. Alcohol also destabilizes blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and persistent fatigue. Over time, it strains the liver, an organ critical for metabolizing nutrients and maintaining energy balance. Quitting alcohol, however, can transform your energy levels. Restorative sleep returns, enabling your body to fully recover and recharge each night. Blood sugar levels stabilize, eliminating those midday energy slumps. Additionally, your liver gets a much-needed break, allowing it to focus on metabolizing fats and toxins efficiently. Improved liver function translates directly to more sustained energy and vitality. Over weeks and months, you'll notice a profound shift in your stamina and overall vigor. Daily activities become easier, workouts feel more effective, and your mental clarity sharpens. By eliminating alcohol, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive, ensuring long-term energy and resilience. How to effectively mitigate alcohol's effects? If you choose to drink, there are strategies to minimize alcohol's impact. First, stay hydrated by drinking a glass or two of water between alcoholic beverages. This helps combat dehydration and flushes toxins more effectively. Second, eat nutrient-dense foods rich in antioxidants, such as low-glycemic fruits, vegetables, high-quality proteins, and healthy fats, to counteract oxidative stress. Supplements like vitamin C, magnesium, and milk thistle can support liver function. Finally, limit your alcohol intake and avoid binge drinking. Opt for low-sugar drinks to reduce blood sugar spikes, and always pace yourself to give your body time to process alcohol efficiently. In conclusion, alcohol's influence on aging is profound, affecting the body inside and out. It dehydrates skin, accelerates cellular damage through oxidative stress, and disrupts hormones essential for regeneration, contributing to premature wrinkles, inflammation, and systemic aging. Quitting alcohol halts these damaging effects, allowing telomeres to stabilize and even lengthen, improving cellular health and longevity. Sobriety revitalizes skin, enhances brain function, and fosters neurogenesis, while also strengthening bones and reducing joint pain through better nutrient absorption and hormonal balance. Moreover, it restores energy by improving sleep and liver function. Mitigating alcohol's impact is possible, but quitting offers unparalleled benefits for reversing and preventing aging. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.